Aviation is a field of incredible diversity, ranging from the thunderous roar of a fighter jet to the silent grace of a long-haul airliner. Military aircraft are the ultimate tools of defense, designed for high-stakes combat operations, tactical reconnaissance, and rapid strategic transport in hostile environments. In contrast, commercial aircraft serve as the backbone of global connectivity, facilitating passenger travel and complex cargo logistics across every continent. The engineering priorities for these two sectors diverge sharply. For military jets, the focus is on supersonic speed and high-G maneuverability. Stealth technology is also a critical military requirement, using complex geometric shapes and radar-absorbent materials to remain invisible to enemy detection. Commercial engineering, however, prioritizes fuel efficiency and long-haul reliability to keep operations sustainable and cost-effective over thousands of flight hours. Inside the cabin, the priority shifts entirely to passenger comfort, with advanced systems managing air quality, cabin pressure, and ergonomic seating. Communication technologies also differ. Military pilots rely on secure, encrypted tactical data links like Link 16 to share mission data without interception. Commercial aviation relies on open integration with air traffic control and standardized transponders to ensure safety in crowded civilian airspaces. While we enjoy in-flight Wi-Fi on airliners, military networks are strictly closed to prevent cyber threats, prioritizing secure tactical data sharing. Commercial passengers stay connected via satellite-based Ku-band or Ka-band technology, turning the aircraft into a flying high-speed hotspot. Safety regulations also diverge. Military flight is overseen by defense authorities, focusing on tactical survival and mission success under fire. Commercial flights follow strict safety protocols from bodies like the FAA or EASA, emphasizing crew resource management and standardized procedures. Looking to the future, the military is moving toward unmanned aerial vehicles and AI-assisted wingmen to reduce risks to human pilots. The commercial sector is focusing on sustainability, developing hydrogen propulsion and electric aircraft to achieve a greener future in the skies.
In the vast expanse of our skies, two distinct breeds of giants rule the atmosphere, born from the same fundamental principles of aerodynamics. One is a marvel of tactical precision and raw power, the other a pinnacle of global connectivity and passenger comfort. Today, we dive deep into the evolution and engineering that separates military aircraft from their commercial counterparts. In this comparative study, from the high-speed maneuvers of the battlefield to the steady cruise of international travel, let us explore the world of aerospace engineering. Military aviation is defined by mission success. Whether it is air superiority, reconnaissance, or strategic bombing, every design choice serves a tactical purpose. Consider the B-52 Stratofortress, a symbol of long-range power, or the MQ-9 Reaper drone, representing the shift toward unmanned aerial systems. In contrast, commercial aviation focuses on the efficient movement of people and cargo across continents, operating under strict economic and environmental constraints. The massive Airbus A380 represents the peak of passenger capacity, designed to carry hundreds of travelers in a pressurized, climate-controlled environment. While a fighter jet might pull 9 GS in a dogfight, a commercial airliner is engineered for the smoothest possible ride for its passengers. Engineering for defense means prioritizing stealth and speed. Radar-absorbing materials and sharp, faceted angles help aircraft like the F-35 disappear from enemy screens. These machines are built with composite materials that can withstand extreme heat and structural stress during supersonic flight and rapid combat maneuvers. On the commercial side, engineering is a game of fuel efficiency and noise reduction. Modern high-bypass turbofan engines are masterpieces of quiet, powerful engineering. Winglets and aerodynamic curves are refined in wind tunnels to squeeze every mile out of every drop of jet fuel. Communication is the lifeline of the sky. In the military, this means secure, encrypted networks like Link 16, connecting jets, ships, and ground stations. These tactical data links allow for real-time sharing of target information and situational awareness, all while remaining invisible to electronic warfare. Commercial flights rely on PAS and VHF radio to maintain contact with air traffic control, ensuring safe separation in crowded civilian corridors. The goal here is safety and order. Thousands of flights are coordinated generated every hour by controllers and towers around the globe. Internet usage differs wildly between the two. Military pilots operate on air-gapped systems where security protocols prevent any connection to the public web. But for the commercial passenger, the sky is no longer a dead zone. High-speed satellite Wi-Fi brings the office and the cinema to 30,000 feet. Sophisticated antennas on the aircraft fuselage track satellites in orbit, ensuring a seamless connection even over the deepest oceans. Safety is the common denominator, yet the protocols differ. Military pilots undergo grueling IG training to prepare for the physical toll of combat. Why? Maintenance in the military is intense.
From the mission-critical needs of the military to the passenger-focused goals of commercial flight, aviation continues to push the limits of technology. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Tech in Minutes for more aviation insights.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,